Hello friends, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I wanted to share with you what I got for my birthday gift to myself. I will be probably filming another video of a few other goodies that I'm getting for my birthday. My birthday is not even here yet. My birthday is in a few weeks, probably by the time you're watching this video, but I couldn't pass a good sale. You know, if you've been watching any of my bag videos, I always try to wait for a bag whenever they have a really good deal, and this bag, the Coach Cassie 19, was such a good steal. I think I got it for a little over $200. I don't think I paid more than $220 to $225. I bought it from Macy's, and I did get it. It was factory wrapped. It was really precious whenever it arrived, and I've had it for, I want to say, 2 weeks by the time this video is up, maybe 3 weeks, and I immediately changed to this bag, and it has been such a beautiful companion of mine for the past weeks. It is pretty compact. It's the Cassie 19. I do have the regular Cassie somewhere up there in a signature beautiful taupe shade, but I wanted something for my everyday and something that I did not have to worry about color transfer. I do wear a lot of jeans, so I do have a few white bags you can see back there, and there's always the careful factor to them. I have to be careful where I put them, how I wear them, so I didn't want that for an everyday bag, so I thought black was gonna be the best way. So anyway, before I get right into everything that fits, a bit of the details on the bag, please be sure to subscribe. It is super easy and it definitely helps my channel a lot. If you've been watching me for a little while, you probably know or have heard me say that I've been really more into totes or bigger bags, especially comparing them to my smaller bags. I think I mentioned in my most used bags from last year, I posted a video, I'll leave it linked below if you're interested, how my habits of carrying smaller bags changed entirely. Last year, I want to say around the summer, I started really getting into bigger totes and bigger bags, and I wasn't giving much love to my smaller bags. But whenever I decided for this bag for my birthday gift, I have been eyeing the Cassie 19 for a few years already. So I thought, you know what, I think it's time. I want to get it. I think it's a beautiful bag. I already own it in the big size, but I want the small size. I'm not gonna lie, I wanted it mostly because of the strap. This bag is super versatile. It does come with 3 different strap options, including this one, which is my preferred way of carrying bags. It's going to be in the shoulder. It also has a handheld little handle, and then a long strap, which I have them right here next to me. But this is how I've been carrying mine, so I just wanted to share with you. So anyway, I'll show you what everything that fits, but first let's take a quick look. It is a stunning black. I really love it, and I think it's such a classy and impactful change in the black with the brass. I think it looks very stunning. So you do have the C turn lock, which is super pretty, and then on the inside it's lined with fabric in this almost maroon shade. I never prefer my bags to be dark on the inside, because then it kind of everything gets lost inside and it becomes just a black hole. But because this one is on the smaller size and it's not really black, it's more maroon, I've managed really nicely. So anyway, also thing that I was mentioned, this bag does not have any feet. It's just a flat surface, so everywhere you put it, you will get it on your bag. So the main bigger compartment, because this is like 3 compartments that the bag has, it's going to be sitting on the bigger side of the bag. So just to mention that's not my favorite thing, and I think this bag would have very easily be able to have little feet, but it doesn't. And then on the sides you have the rings, of course, where you carry your straps, and it does have 2 little, I don't know, I guess whatever they're called, and they do say Coach in them. The strap also has the Coach label right there wherever you open and close the clasp, and this is the perfect size to wear in your shoulder, which is what I've been doing and how I like to carry my bags. And then of course you have the little tag, just you know, says Coach, black, very easy, very simple. You get a pocket here, which is where I like to keep my phone. I don't have my phone in hand. It's somewhere over there. But anyway, this is what I've been using this pocket for. I just put my phone and it works perfect. So I think that's pretty much everything on the bag. Let me grab the straps. I did have them here on the floor. Of course, you already saw this one, which is the shoulder bag. Then you have a very pretty handheld. So I really love how versatile this bag is. Whatever your preferred way of carrying it, you can carry it. So I just put it on. I don't like to keep it on unless I'm actually going to use it as a little handheld, because whenever I'm carrying it on my shoulder, it just kind of like sits there awkwardly, so I don't like it. And it, like, if I'm carrying it on my shoulder, it's just on the way. So I've been just taking it off, but it is of course an option that you can use, of course, to carry it. And then you get your regular crossbody strap, which this is one that I'm pretty sure I'm almost never gonna use. You do have a lot of options to make it shorter or longer. I'll show it to you in a minute. Might as well just do it right now. So again, this is as a shoulder bag, which is my preferred method. You also can wear it as a little handheld, put it in the crook of your arm. Very comfortable, very pretty. For reference, I am 5'4", you know, in case you're wondering how tall I am. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put it as a crossbody bag. I think I have it, yes, I have it on the shorter version. So this is the shortest it can go. So if I wear it as a crossbody, it fits, my hip is right here, so it fits just above my hip. So this is how it would fit, how it would look if you're around my size. You can make it longer, but this is the shortest it will go. So it's not too big, so it's not uncomfortable to carry like this. Just personally, I prefer to carry my bags in the shoulder. So now I'm gonna show you everything that fits. This is exactly how I've been carrying my bag. So usually I carry the same things every single day on my bag. When I went to this one, I changed, I think I was carrying my Oleata bigger tote. So I changed to a pretty small one. So it was very significant, the change, but I made it work, and I think it has worked really nicely for my liking and for the things that I carry. So here is an overview. I'll show it to you whenever it's empty so you can actually see everything. But in the first compartment, the main bigger thing that I had to switch was my keys. I always carry, or I used to carry, a very pretty what I used for a key holder from Coach, from the outlet, that I absolutely love. But there was no, I mean, I could fit it, but it was gonna take all the space, so I had to change my keys. So now I just have them in this beautiful little Merit key holder. These are my home keys. And then separately in the first compartment, I have my car keys. And then in that same, oh my goodness, in that same first compartment, I have a little coin pouch. This is from Amazon. I do use a lot of cash, so that just works perfect. And that's everything that I have in the first one. And then on the second compartment, I'm just going to start this is the bigger compartment, by the way. So the first thing, I'm just gonna start pulling things out. I've got my hand sanitizer in spray form. Then I've got the lip gloss that I've been wearing lately, which is my newest Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. And then I've got my Kleenex, my wallet, which this one is from Tory Burch, beautiful little compact. This is just like one of those bifold, I guess that's how they call them. So that also lives in the middle compartment. And then I have some receipts. Like I'm saying, this is literally both from TJ Maxx, I'm pretty sure. Home Goods and TJ Maxx. So a few receipts from this week. And then lastly, in that middle compartment, I have this beautiful little compact. I think it's like a card holder, but I've been wearing it. It's also from Tory Burch. I've been using it as a holder for little things, including a mini lip gloss, a mini lipstick, and most importantly, my little pill holder, which is, I was very surprised at how much this could fit. I mean, it's not a lot, but for what I needed, because I usually always carry a little makeup bag with all these little goodies, but I couldn't because of course this bag is way smaller than my usual totes. So this came in super handy. And then lastly, on the last pocket, again, there's like 3 separations. I've got my little mirror compact, And then we have a small hand cream by Dove, which this is not super small, but yeah. And then at the very bottom, my small Swiss Army knife my husband gave me. And that's pretty much it. Now the bag is empty. There is a small pocket in the bigger compartment, or a small zipper. It's always so hard for me to do this. So there's a zipper right there, which right now inside I just have the little Coach thingy. So that's everything. So now the bag is empty, and it is such a stunning bag. I really like it. I love the 3 separations. It's exactly the same as the Coach Cassie regular size, but this one is a little more compact. I'll bring it out in a minute so you can see it, but it is super convenient. I think it fits all my essentials and then a little bit extra. It's been super practical. I thought it was gonna be too small, especially for someone coming from using only totes for like the past year, but I can carry all my essentials. It does not fit my Kindle. Actually, I haven't tried. Let me go grab my Kindle real quick. I'll be right back. I got my Kindle, and I always say this in every video. I love carrying my Kindle with me, even if I'm not gonna have time to read. It's a habit of mine that I'm always carrying it around. I'm going to take it out of the little case because there's no way it's going to fit with this case, but I want to try it because I haven't tried just yet. If my book just came out. It came up. I'm reading Never, by the way, by Jessa Hastings. So anyway, here is a Kindle. I have the, I don't know, I think this is 2019 or 2020 paperback. So it's pretty slim without that case. So this is awesome. I hadn't noticed this because I haven't taken it with me because I didn't think it was gonna fit. Literally super comfortable right there in the back pocket. So I would have to sacrifice a few things to put it in there, but even my mirror, my compact mirror, I'm pretty sure would fit there. And then I could probably make a way of fitting my hand lotion too. So this is awesome. News to me because I didn't think this was gonna fit my Kindle, this little bag, but amazing news. So anyway, let me put it somewhere. So now I wanna share with you real quick, because this video is gonna be super long. Side by side with my regular Cassie. I bought this, I want to say a few years ago. Very beautiful bag. I love it. But because of the shade, it's a taupe shade, I tend to carry somehow this more during the fall and winter. I love it. One of my favorite bags. That's why I really wanted to get a Cassie 19 to see how I like it, because I know how much I like my regular Cassie. So here they are side by side. So in comparison, let me put the 19 in front of the Cassie so you can see the difference. Oh, you can't really see with this. So there we go. That is the difference in size. Not a lot, but I feel once you actually are carrying, then you can actually see the significance. And then here, very beautiful bag. I love this. And this one, I do love to carry my Kindle around, and I do fit the Kindle, especially in the back. That's the pocket that I use for my Kindle, with the case on it. So here it is on the inside, same accordion style, very stunning, just much bigger. Well, not much bigger, but bigger. And I love the inside is light. So here they are, both of them side by side. Just a quick little detail that I wanted to share if you have the Cassie 19 or you wanted to see how they compare. And of course, this one has the beautiful handheld already in there and you can't really remove it, but I just love this bag. But anyway, the Cassie 19 has been a beautiful addition to my collection. I really love it, and I think I made the right decision at picking the black one because I can just carry it around as an everyday bag and not have to baby it, going back to especially because of the color transfer. So anyway, here she is, very stunning. I love the turn lock. I love the contrast with the black and the brass hardware. I think it looks especially stunning. You will have to be careful if this bag, you don't have it secured and it falls open like in your car while you're driving or something. Well, things are not gonna fully spill. Things might get out because there's no zipper. So there's no zipper anywhere except for that little pocket but it hasn't happened. But if you have it closed, I think you should be fairly okay if you happen to drop your bag in the car. That's gonna be everything for today. Let me know in the comments below if you own the Cassie 19, in what shade, or if you have that Cassie regular size, which one do you prefer? I don't know which one I prefer. I think my regular Cassie, because it fits just a little bit more, but regardless, it is a stunning bag, this smaller version, and I really love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like always, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!